chromosomes can be classified based on the position of the centromere and the length of the arms. So we have two arms of the chromosome. One is the P arm, or also called as the short arm, and then we have the Q arm, also called as the long arm. There is no telocentric here because human chromosomes don't have telocentric chromosomes. I mean, human cells don't have telocentric chromosomes. All the human chromosomes can be classified into three regions. One is metacentric, submetacentric, and acrocentric. Telocentric, we don't see it in our cells. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so metacentric, where P is equal to Q, submetacentric, where P is shorter than Q, and acrocentric, P is much shorter than Q. Okay, so based on the centromere and arm length, you can see here, these are the following types of chromosomes in human cells. Metacentric, where P is equal to Q, submetacentric, where P is smaller than Q, acrocentric, where P is much smaller than Q, and telocentric, there is no P, only Q arm. And as I said, telocentric is not present in human cells, or human chromosomes don't behave like telocentric chromosomes. So chromosomal nomenclature, how do we go about the chromosomal nomenclature? That is based on the karyotyping. You're going to arrange the chromosomes according to the length of the chromosomes. The tallest chromosomes are classified on the top left of the karyotype slide, right? So chromosomes 1 to 3, you can see here they are the largest, and chromosome 1 and 3